Hi folks, it's Chris from Cheap Tech and it's finally here. I ordered this, it seemed like an eternity ago. It was only actually a few days, but my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is here, so I thought to do a quick unboxing, show you what's in the box. Let's run through a few specs. I will let you know I have cheated. I have already opened it and the phone's already out, but anyway. When you spend the money you can do what you want. So as you can tell, I've got the blue version, hence the yellow stylus on the front of the box. And quickly just turn the box over, and I've gone for the 128GB version with 6GB RAM. So I'll just quickly run through the specs. It says a 6.4 inch full rectangle or 6.3 inch rounded corners quad HD plus Super AMOLED display, super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilization, and so there's two of those. One's at 1.5/2.4 and the other's at 2.4. Super slow-mo 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. That should be pretty good. Blah 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 blah. Iris scanner, S Pen with remote control, 128GB memory, 6GB RAM. Stereo speakers tuned by AKG, earphones tuned by AKG, 4000 mAh battery for me, wireless charging, and IP68 water and dust resistant. Is there anything else that we've left out that you could possibly want on a phone? So it's fully stocked, as you can probably imagine. So if we unsleeve it and put the sleeve to one side, there we have just a pretty much a plain box. Just open up, and nice packaging. I do like a nice box. So there you get the SIM ejection tool. Try saying that after a few points. And in here, nice little plastic bag with all startup guide and all that stuff. Do we need to look at that? No, I don't think so. So there we've got a little plastic tray where the phone would have gone. So in here, if you did watch my S8 Plus unboxing, this is very similar. We've got our UK plug adapter. It's the adaptive fast charging Samsung. There's our little USB connector. You can see that. Let's focus. So USB-C there to normal USB. I'll leave that out because I'm going to need that for my next video, which will be how to transfer things from your old phone. There's a little micro USB to USB-C adapter, so if you've got any in-car chargers you can use that. Strangely, I've already got one. And under here we've got our S Pen stylus tips, spare ones. We've got our spare earphone buds. We've got our AKG headphones, which are pretty decent. Again, I've looked at those in a separate video. And there's our USB to USB-C lead. Now I have other USB-C leads, so I'm going to leave those in the box. I've also got another adaptive charger, so I'll leave those in there nice and tidy. I do like to look after my things, so Galaxy Note 9. Galaxy Note 9. Pop that to one side. So just a quick look at the phone then. As you can see, I've still got the cellophane on. So what I'll do is take that off, because I know some of you guys. Ooh, that's a nice plasticky sound there. And look at that. Oof, dear me. Very nice. So let's just get this last sticker off. There we go, guys. Completely fresh and naked. That's how we like it. So a quick walk around the phone. There is still stickers on there. I'll remove them in a bit. But we've got our, I don't know if you can see this, SIM tray. That's where you put your SD card. I believe that's a microphone. On this side is your, just see it there, your power button. On the bottom we've got your S Pen, speaker grill, microphone, USB Type C and the headphone jack. And on the side there we've got a Bixby button and your up and down volume keys. Very nice and clicky. On the back we've got our dual 12 megapixel cameras. There's a little beep. There's your fingerprint sensor. Opens it right up. So I'll just quickly. The S Pen has a reassuring click. So there's your S Pen in the note mode. So I'll just pop that back in. Okie dokie. So there you go, guys, that's it for this video. So just a quick unboxing. And oh, just a very quick mention, I've also ordered, and it's literally just turned up because the message says there. I've ordered some screen protectors. These are the wet install ones, so it should cover the sides of the screen as well. So I shall be doing a video of an install of that, and I've also got myself a nice little case from Spigen as well. I'll just take that out actually. Have a quick check. So there we go. If you can tell, slightly textured. Let's just pop that on. Okay, that's a nice snug fit. And that's a bit easier to get to your fingerprint sensor. Okay then, guys, like I say, that's it for this video. My next one I'll be doing will be the transferring data, which I will be transferring from my iPhone to this using the Smart Switch software. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.